if y equals to 16 minus x squared, find a y when x equals to minus 4 and 2. B, find x when y equals to 0 and 15. Solution. For the A part, we have y equals to 16 minus x squared. If y equals to 16 minus x squared, we're asked to find y when x equals to minus 4. Now let's start with when x equals to minus 4. What will be the value of y? Y equals to what? 16 minus, anywhere we see x, we substitute x as minus 4. So we have minus 4 here raised to the power of 2. So this will give us 16 minus, now we are having here minus 4 raised to the power of 2. This one means what? Minus 4 times minus 4. So this is going to be 16 minus 4 times minus 4. Minus times minus is plus. 4 times 4. 16. So it means that minus 4 times minus 4 will give us 16. So we now have 16 minus 16. What is 16 minus 16? 0. So it means when x equals to minus 4, y equals to 0. Now, when x equals to 2, when x equals to 2, what will be the value of y? We have y equals to 16 minus, anywhere we see x, we put 2. So we have 2 squared. So we simplify now. 16 minus, what is 2 squared? That is 2 times 2. And that is 4. So 16 minus 4, that is 12. So it means that when x equals to 2, y equals to 12. Now, the B part. We still go back to the formula y equals to 16 minus x squared. When y equals to 0, what will be the value of x? Anywhere we see y, we substitute y as what? 0. Then 0 equals to 16 minus x squared. Now, the next thing for us to do is to collect the like term. Or we can, instead of collecting the like term, let's move minus x squared to the left. So if we move minus x squared to the left, what are we having? 0 plus x squared equals to 16. Then, 0 plus x squared, we have x squared. So x squared equals to 16. Now, for us to find x, we need to take the square root of both sides to find x, because we're having x squared here. By taking the square root of both sides, x squared equals to, don't forget, when you are taking square root of both sides, plus or minus 16. So what are we having? If you find the square root of x squared, what do we have? X. So x equals to what? Plus or minus, what is square root of 16? That is 4. So x equals to plus or minus 4. Now, when y equals to what? The second one, when y equals to 15. If y equals to 15, what will be the value of x? We still go back to the formula. Anywhere we see y, we put 15. So we have 15 equals to what? 16 minus x squared. Then what are we going to do now? We need to collect the like term by moving minus x squared to the left and move 15 to the right. Now let's move minus x squared to the left. We have what? It will turn to positive x squared. So we have this to be x squared equals to 16 minus 15. Now we now have x squared equals to what? What is 16 minus 15? 1. Then we take the square root of both sides. Taking the square root of both sides, don't forget, when you're taking square root of both sides of a number, you put plus or minus. The square root of x squared is what? X. So we have this to be x equals to what? Plus or minus square root of 1 is what? That is 1. So x equals to plus or minus 1. So it means that when y equals to 15, the value of x equals to 1 or minus 1. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.